We finish well parts here, mantles and concave, the parts that do the actual crushing. Obviously, they come under a lot of strain when the customer uses them. So consistent and high quality is important. If you don't have that, then the lifetime of the product gets shorter. It can mean that the entire production line at the customer site has to stop. Everything stands still, and that means major cost for the customer. Once the plans for these parts have been developed and the tolerance decided, they get made at the foundry. Then the pieces come here for machining and finish. After we finish machining a part, we make some manual checks to make sure it matches the design. The standard and the tolerance get handled down to us, and we have to make sure that the weld parts meet those levels of quality and consistency.
If any of the standards aren't met, then the product needs to be taken out of the process and analyzed. We have a specific quality team who assess these parts and decide whether they can be fixed or whether they have to be scrapped and recycled. Random tests are performed along the production lines. The tools here is called a measuring arm, and it's actually the last technical check we do. It gives extreme accurate 3D measurement to make sure that the dimensions and distance are within the tolerance of the plans. Visual tests are also important. It might sound a bit strange and not sophisticated, but we have so much experience here at Sandvik, and a lot of people can spot flaws and errors really quickly. The final stage is painting to give the wear parts additional corrosion protection and make sure the surfaces are smooth and even. Even something as straightforward as painting requires attention. We have to make sure that the paint in the bath is kept at the right viscosity. Every detail has to be perfect. That's how we work.